Okay, good day to each and everyone. For today's video, let's talk about the three concepts of OOP. So, which is the encapsulation, inheritance, and the polymorphisms. So, let's start with the encapsulation. So, encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming or OOP that serves to bundle data, attributes, and methods, function, or behavior into single unit or class, and to restrict a direct access to some of the class components. So by only allowing access through public method and getters and setters. So encapsulation helps protects the integrity of the data, controlling how it's modified or accessed. So the purpose of encapsulation is that the data protection and the integrity. So encapsulation hide the internal state of an object that prevent direct modification of its data, which is protect and data from the unintended or harmful modification. So by controlling data access, we ensure that only valid data is entered, preserving the integrity of the object state. So number two is the is to enhance the security. So encapsulation restrict access to sensitive data and internal implementation details, enhancing security. And also it allows developer to decide which part of an object are visible or hidden, reducing the risk of accidentally data exposure or tampering. So now let's proceed to the actual demonstration on how encapsulation implements in Java. First, we are going to create our main method. We're going to create, we are going to name it encapsulation. And now, um, let's try to create another class, subclass uh, of a person which is connected to our main method, which is encapsulation. So in our person, we are going to initialize the name and the age of the person. We are putting private here in order to restrict not be accessed by any packages that involved in these classes, in order to prevent and secure to modify our program secure to see for security purposes. So here we are going to create a constructor in order to put a value of our variable name and age. So now we are going to create a getter setters, so accessing and control via getters and setter, in order to the methods allow to control access um, to private field, and that age method includes validation check and to ensure that age cannot be set to be negative value. So we're going to return the value of our age, put in our um, I said no name, I was wrong. I'm going to first going to get the name, and now let's set the value of our name. So as you can see, we are same as the name, the process which we are going to use in our age. So simply um, Now here we are going to instantiate call the person class in order to get all the existing method in our person's class. So let's set the name of our uh, person, a class person, and also its age. So as you can see, um, so we are going to print out the name, print out and call the existing method, which is get name, and also the age. So the access and modify data is using the getter and setters. That's why we can call the name and the age of our class person. So now, so let's see the outcome for this one. So as you can see, the name is Srin and the age is 0. Okay, so now let's proceed to inheritance. So inheritance is a key concept on oriented programming, which is the OOP, that enables a class to acquire properties and behavior methods from another class. So inheritance is allow for a creation of a new class based on an existing class, promoting code reuse and establishing a relationship between a classes. So the purpose of inheritance is to allow a class to use methods and attributes for another class, avoiding code duplication. So it avoid same function, same method, same variable name that we can use in our main method. So it emphasize and um, easy to actual demonstrate. So hierarchical class organization, it enables a natural hierarchy of classes, allowing complex systems to be broken down into simpler and related classes. So now polymorphism with inheritance, a subclass can override method of its superclass, allowing uh, polymorphic behavior where a subclass instance can be treated as an instance. So now let's do the actual demonstration on how does inheritance works on Java. So first, um, so we are going to first create our main class. Going to name this um, inherit. So in our main method, we are going to create another class, which is the car class, which is our super class, and vehicle. I mean, car class is our subclass, and vehicle is our super class. So in vehicle class, we are going to instantiate or initializing a variable brand in order to find or to construct a value for our car method. So here I have created private string brand here because I am going to secure this variable in order not to acquire all the necessary methods inside our vehicle to another package. So as you can see, same as I do um, in polymorphism or in um, So now I'm going to create a display. So now we are going to our class car to put all the put method here, private int number doors. Now we are going to initializing a constructor of our car brand and year. So as you can see now, um, we are going to override super, inherit the super class to our subclass, all the existing methods in our vehicle such as the brand and year variables. So as you can see, it's error because we did not apply extends in order to connect the subclass to our superclass um, vehicle. So we simply now we're going to create, I love this one, this number of doors. So the new public show car. So this specific property of method, the car class defines its own attributes, number of door, and its own method that show car info in addition to inherit and display from the vehicle class. So we are going to print out if these methods show up in our main. It says the number of doors and the numbers so now let's get to our main method. We will going to print all the existing method that all the existing method in our car class and the superclass vehicle. We're going to initialize the value of our object our object the brand and year, also the numbers of doors of our class. So we're going to card the display. Show car info, all information that exists in our class. So as you can see, the brand Lamborghini, year 2001, and number of doors is 2. So that how it works. And okay, so the last one is the polymorphism. So polymorphism is a concept in object-oriented programming that allows objects in a different types to be treated as they were instance of a same type through a common interface. So the term polymorphism means many shape or many form. So referring to ability of different classes to be used is interchangeable because they were implemented as the same method. So let's try to demonstrate the polymorphism concept. So now simply we are going to create our main method, polymorphism. Let's name polymorphism. So to create a class animal, we're going to abstract. Let's make animal into abstract, and then create a method that we may use into our subclass. I forgot to put string. So now we are going to create our our subclass dog that extends the existing method to our um, abstract class, which is the animal. We are going to implement all the method that exists in our animal. So when we say dog, it will return the value of this sound. So we are also creating another child class here, cat, and also extends the our superclass animals and get all the implement methods, abstract methods that exist in our animal class. So the last one is the cow class. So here are our main method. Our main method. Um, the main method animal sounds demo. We create an array for an animal, which is object being different subclasses. Each is treated as an animal, and response makes sound according to its specific subclass type. So let's start with the cat, and we'll display to the sound of animal, a cat. Let's try this one. So as you can see, it says the cat says meow. It is correct. Now let's so animal here. So as you can see now, that's all for this video. I hope you understand and learn something about my video, and that's all. Thank you very much.